My name is Amethyst with WTI, and I'm really excited to share with you guys these drinks right here that have been an absolute lifesaver. If you are someone like me who struggles to meet your caloric needs, or in the morning you just can't really take down food, or you just need a really easy to go meal, then I highly recommend these Soylent drinks. Not only are these going to be around 400 calories each and have everything that you need for a ready to drink meal, but they also are going to be your coffee fix. So these right here are Soylent with caffeine. So we've got Cafe Vanilla, Cafe Mocha, and Cafe Chai, and they taste so very good. Our vanilla is going to be mildly sweet with a very strong vanilla flavor and latte flavor. You can totally tell that this is coffee flavored. The mocha is going to have that bittersweet chocolate taste. Definitely tastes like a dark chocolate mocha. And then the chai is going to be the sweetest of the three with a really light chai flavor. They just taste so very good, and they're so easy to drink and digest. They aren't very heavy in your stomach like a lot of other protein shakes. And I really love that these are just so easy to take on the go if need be. And as someone who struggles to eat food in the morning, these things have been an absolute lifesend. So I really highly recommend these. Check with your doctor to see if they are something that will match your diet's needs. And if they are good for you, then I highly recommend them. They taste incredible, and that is my point of view.